every time you believe you're making. Rational decision, there's a good chance your brain is playing an elaborate trick on you. Let me walk you through how this mental deception works and how to spot it. The confirmation bias trap. Your brain isn't wired to seek truth, it seeks validation. In that shocking Science Journal study, researchers saw how information contradicting people's beliefs triggered their brain's threat response areas, as if they were facing physical danger. Why? Because your mind values comfortable lies over uncomfortable truths. The anchoring effect scam. When you see 50% off, now $500 was $1,000, your brain jumps to conclusions. This anchoring bias makes you obsess over the first number you see, regardless of its relevance. That deal you're excited about, it might be completely meaningless. Your fake memory syndrome. Think your memories are accurate? Neuroscience shows that every time you recall an event, your brain subtly rewrites it, a process called memory reconsolidation. Those big life decisions you've made, they might be based on events that never happened quite the way you remember. Black and white thinking blind spot, total success or complete failure. This false dichotomy is your brain's lazy way of avoiding complexity. Duke University research proves that people who think this way make faster but worse decisions. Reality isn't binary, but your brain wishes it were. The self-justification. Deception. Made a bad call? Your brain instantly becomes a slick defense attorney, inventing excuses, self-justification bias. This mental trick keeps you married to poor decisions because admitting mistakes threatens your ego. Emotion versus logic battleground. That gut feeling you trust, it's often just chemical noise. The famous marshmallow test revealed that people who control their emotions make better life choices. Many rational financial or relationship decisions are really just emotional reactions in disguise. Stress, the silent decision killer. Chronic stress doesn't just feel bad, it physically damages your brain. It shrinks memory centers and disables logical thinking areas. Studies on soldiers and first responders show how prolonged stress devastates decision-making abilities. Sleep, your secret mental upgrade. During sleep, your brain runs a nightly cleaning cycle. Skimp on sleep, and you're essentially making decisions with a foggy, impaired brain. Quality sleep isn't a luxury, it's decision-making fuel. How to fight back 1. Ask, am I seeking truth or just confirmation? 2nd, challenge memories. Did this really happen or just how I remember it? 3. Reject either or thinking. What's the gray area here? 4th, interrogate emotions. Is this logic or just how I feel right now? 5. Optimize your brain. Am I rested and stress managed enough to decide well? The bottom line. You're not your brain's puppet. By recognizing these mental tricks, you can spot when your own mind is lying to you. That awareness, it's the closest thing to a superpower for making smarter choices in life.